Imagine waking up in 2030. Half the jobs you know today? Gone. Not because of a war, not because of some alien invasion, but because of lines of code. AI didn't ask permission. It just showed up, learned faster, and now millions of people are staring at their screens like, wait, what do I do now? The brutal truth is this. The gap between people who adapt and people who don't is going to look like two different civilizations. Some thrive. Most get left behind. And here's the kicker. The skills that separate those two groups aren't the ones you think. First, let's kill the myth. People say, oh, I just need to learn coding to survive the AI wave. Wrong. AI can already code better than a lot of junior developers. If your whole plan is, I'll just be a coder, you might actually be volunteering to compete against the very machine that never sleeps, never eats, and doesn't complain about deadlines. So no, coding alone won't save you. So what will? Let's talk about the real AI survival skills. 1. Prompt mastery. AI isn't powerful because it exists. It's powerful because of how you talk to it. Think of it like a genie. Ask bad questions, you get garbage. Ask the right ones and it builds your empire. People who know how to extract gold from AI, they're the ones who win. 2. Data and pattern sense. AI runs on data, but if you don't know how to read, clean, and question data, you're basically driving blind in a Tesla. You don't need to be a mathematician, but you need to smell when numbers are lying to you. That alone separates the leaders from the lost. 3. Human creativity. Here's the paradox. The more AI takes over mechanical tasks, the more human creativity skyrockets in value. If you can storytell, design, invent, or see connections machines miss, congratulations, you've got leverage. Machines don't dream, you do. 4. Emotional intelligence. This one shocks people. Why would empathy matter in an AI world? Because machines can't replace trust. They can't replace leadership. People who know how to move humans, to sell, to inspire, to negotiate, will always stand on ground. AI can't touch. 5. Adaptability. The hardest skill isn't a technical one. It's mindset. If you're rigid, you'll snap. If you adapt, you'll surf the wave while others drown. This might sound cliche, but adaptability is literally the difference between Blockbuster and Netflix. Between taxi drivers and Uber. Between thriving and disappearing. Now, here's the scary part. The people who don't learn these skills, it's not just, oh, they'll have a harder time. Number. They'll be unemployable in entire industries. Whole careers will shut overnight. And the brutal truth? Nobody is going to pause the AI race to wait for them. The world won't ask, are you ready? It'll just move on. Let me be real with you. Right now, most people are still scrolling TikTok, laughing at cat filters while AI is rewriting the script of civilization. It's like the Titanic is tilting and half the passengers are arguing over dinner menus. You don't have to be paranoid, but you do have to be prepared. So here's the question. Are you going to be one of the people who learns these AI survival skills and thrives? Or are you going to wait until the machine is sitting at your desk, doing your job, and asking your boss for a raise? Because like it or not, the split is happening right now, and the future isn't waiting. Subscribe because in this channel, we don't sugarcoat the AI revolution. We prepare for it.